Where we at, babe? Where at?
Colorado.
Wildwood?
Colorado.
Alright, so loaded up again and about to head back out for the last time, most likely, while I'm here. So probably gonna go to Last Dollar Road and see what that looks like. I hear that it's probably not very vibrant yet, but anyway, it's about a 2 to 3 hour drive, not including just to get there. So it's gonna be a probably all evening thing. Probably be able to catch the sunset somewhere, come back, dump footage, and start packing up. I'm leaving tomorrow. It's a complete bummer. Ever since I got back from this morning, I was like, oh, I only have like 24 hours left, less than 24 hours. So, here we go. So I've been coming out here for, well, as long as I can remember. I've been blessed with such awesome parents that have brought me and my brother out here for years and years and putting us on top of mountains and looking for miles. On top of the world, as we would say. And there's really nothing like it. I mean, there is, but there isn't, because of all these memories that I have here in this place. Coming out here during September, different time of year, was really awesome. It just wasn't the same for more than just that reason.
What's those mountains behind you called?
We'll drown out.
Are you having fun, Taylor?
Yeah.
That ain't a scene right there. My dad would say, and I say the same thing, I guess.
What'd you say? You said as long as my hair doesn't get messed up, we'll be alright.
You guys are bad enough. Hi, everyone.
Where we at? We having fun? Okay, are you both wiggling?
Oh, look at her. She's getting the hang of it.
Ooh, how fast can I go through this?
Go.
Can I just go? Just gun it, just go.
Round it out. Three. What do you think, boys?
What do you think, Mom? Having fun yet, Dad? How old are you, Blake? How are you, Taylor?
Hey! The main guy here. Oh yeah, flip it over.
Oh, Taylor!
Flip it over backwards. Look who I just found. Look at that. What do we have here? What's up, Tot? We're on top of the world, ain't we, boys?
Top of the world.
Yeah, top of the world. All right. Last light. Last sunset on this trip.
I'm gonna make a turbo at you and you be a party pooper too.
I'm not a party pooper. You're a little peep squeak.
Hey, do you see that?